Melissa Albert, your host for the American Dream TV. Today we are in beautiful Bowling Green at the opening weekend of the Bowling Green Hot Rod Stadium. Come with me as we take a behind-the-scenes tour and see what makes this ballpark so special. Hey Kyle.
Hey, how's it going?
Good to see you.
Yeah, you as well. Welcome to Bowling Green Ballpark.
Thank you so much. We're so excited to be able to bring this VIP behind-the-scenes tour of the Bowling Green Ballpark. Thanks for having us today.
Yeah, absolutely.
So can you tell me a little bit about what makes the Bowling Green Ballpark so special?
You know, for us, it's not only just baseball. Obviously, we play 66 home games throughout the year, but it's all the community events that we're able to host and to open up our doors and host so many different types of events, from concerts, movie nights, banquets, charity walks, and so forth. High school games, college games, you name it. The possibilities are endless here.
So much fun. I love your story on how you started with the Bowling Green Ballpark, and I know it's a little different than you didn't step in, it's just the GM. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so I started with the team in 2014 as an intern, working in various different departments. And with that, I was afforded an opportunity to come on in a ticket sales role, overseeing group sales, season tickets, and mini plans. And then worked as the ticket office manager for several seasons, and then the director of sales, and then assistant general manager, and now general manager and COO.
That's awesome. Well, you're the man to talk to because you know this ballpark inside and out.
11 seasons, I've seen quite a bit. So.
Neat. Tell me a little bit more about the 150 plus events that are hosted here at the Bowling Green Ballpark.
Yeah, like I said, you know, it's a wide variety. It ranges from college games to high school games to charity walks where we host those inside the ballpark, movie nights on the field. We have a scout camp out with over 350 scouts on the field, and then banquets and meeting space. You know, we use the facility 365 days a year. It's very exciting to be able to, you know, plan and create those different events, as well as the festivals that we own and host here at the ballpark. And
every night is something different, right? Because I remember not long ago you had a Pirates and Princesses theme night.
That's correct. You know, we have over 45 special events, special theme nights that we host on top of baseball games, because the idea is that it's not just about the baseball, it's about creating the family fun experience and atmosphere at the ballpark.
I love that. So much fun. And speaking of, you've got some special guests for us to meet, right?
We do. Yeah, awesome. We're excited. So Roscoe, our mascot, and then Turbo, our bat dog, is here today.
Oh, fun. Let's go meet them.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Thank you, Kyle, so much for that behind the scenes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you tell us a little bit about this wall here?
Yeah, so this is our road to the show. So the names on this wall are every player that have come through Bowling Green and made their Major League debut with one of the 30 Major League Baseball teams that you see now.
Cool, and you've had more than just baseball players move up in the organization, right?
That's correct. We've had a former manager who has made his debut in the majors as a manager, as well as a broadcaster who called recently the Kansas City Royals game.
How fun. And I love that Bowling Green Ballpark allows for everybody to come and enjoy a family fun night out and see such amazing talent that's moving up.
You know, that's one of the great things about coming to a game at the Bowling Green Hot Rods is the family fun entertainment that we're able to have. Very affordable. You know, that's kind of hard to find in minor league baseball. So, you know, that's one of the great things that we're excited to be able to offer for our community.
Yeah, and they are the Tampa Bay Ray affiliate, or one of them. Can you explain to us how the affiliate system works?
Yeah, so in minor league baseball, there's an elevation system for these players. They start in the low A, then they come to high A, which is us, and then there's double A, triple A, and then the majors. So these players along the way of their career path will hit all those levels and climb their way up. And you know, we're just one of those stops on the road for them. You know, it's been great to see a lot of top prospects come through this organization.
Well, how fun. I love being able to come and see the next stars that are going to be on TV soon.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, great baseball, 3 championships in 15 seasons, and you know, we're hoping for many more. So.
Exciting. Well, I'm so excited for the Bowling Green Hot Rods, and come see them this summer.
Absolutely, we appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Kyle.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me on this special behind-the-scenes tour of the Bowling Green Ballpark and the Bowling Green Hot Rod Stadium. I'm Melissa Albert, your host with American Dream TV. Until next time, let's go Hot Rods!